Essentially what we've seen as we started to serve larger enterprise clients is that one payment method is not your only issue. Just receiving money in general can be quite a difficult thing. That means receiving money through card, through cash, through bank, through other channels.
Today, if we want to fully serve our clients as their end-to-end payment service provider, as they are demanding from us, we need to add these other payment methods into our portfolio.
We are moving away from being primarily single method and pay by bank to being multi-method.
Stitch now offers the entire end-to-end money management solution, essentially a payment solution for our clients. New products we're launching are new payment methods, new ways of managing your money once you've collected it through different payment methods, and new ways of dispersing that money to different destinations once you've processed it with us.
So now that Stitch is turning more into a PSP, we offer generic APIs that allow people to pay with whatever method that they choose.
It allows us to do exactly what we've been doing with Instant EFT, which we've been doing really well in terms of customer service and the developer experience, and taking it into other payment methods where we've seen a gap in that market.
But also they get a lot of things out of the box, for example, reconciliation, settlement.
And that's something that we've developed with a lot of configurability and a lot of customization, especially for our enterprise clients.
So what makes Stitch's card offering different is that absolutely everything is first party. That gives us a lot of control over the sort of payments process as a whole and allows us to customize it, to optimize it. So Stitch provides APIs for clients to be able to save their card details inside of Stitch.
What this means is that a client is no longer locked into a particular payment service provider or card processor.
So they can essentially build up a library of data that they own, and they can reuse those card details later, refer back to them, at a later date.
It means that once a client links their users' cards to their environment, they can port those into different environments.
Those card tokens are not locked into Stitch. So if you already have card tokens, you can import them into Stitch. If you want to export them out of Stitch, we totally allow that.
We are cognizant of how we handle sensitive information, whether it's account holder information for our Instant EFT products or card holder information for card payments. We see PCI compliance as not something that we have to do, but something that we want to do to make sure that our customers are always safeguarded from the risks of making payments online.
What we strive to optimize is high acceptance rates, lower fraud, and a much better managed chargeback system. Stitch is gonna combine processing of card, cash, and Instant EFT with debits in one integration. Our debits support both unauthenticated debits through debit orders and authenticated debits through Debit check. We can also combine debit orders and Debit check with our other methods like tokenized card or tokenized bank accounts through LinkPay for a seamless collection experience. So you can have one user link through multiple methods and use the collection method that has the highest probability of success for that particular consumer in a particular context. What we found is that where we work with clients that are not currently using our pay-in methods, but using our Stitch account and our payout methods, and they're using other PSPs for pay-ins, they really struggle with a few things. One of those things is reconciliation across many payment service providers.
The interesting twist that PayOS gives us is that you can plug and play any other PSP into that library of components.
PayOS is a solution which allows clients even more freedom in terms of how they manage their payments.
I think the way we support our clients is maybe counterintuitive to the way a lot of startups kind of focus. We're maybe even more client-centric than we are product-centric.
We don't build in silos. We are constantly engaging merchants. Even when it's not in our favor, we take on that information and we quickly pivot to make sure that we're building a product that's optimized for those people.
I think payments, money movement needs in general are difficult. There's not cookie cutter as a lot of people might think. So we really try to make things work at a level that is suitable for our customers, that works for their complex use cases, and try to take out all the friction in that for them.